Hi there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Akiniwa Akimbowale Makiem. Today, I am going to explain to you step-by-step guide on how you can buy products from China and then bring them to Nigeria, to your doorstep in Nigeria using Aliexpress. Now, before we go ahead, I want to let you know that on this channel, we give you entrepreneurship tips, money-making ideas, how-to tips, and some info tech tips. So if you like what I have listed, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now it is time for business, step-by-step guide on how you can import from China to Nigeria with little amount using AliExpress. Let's get started.
You're welcome back. Now we want to look at how to do it on AliExpress. So when you visit, let me just type aliexpress.com. Okay. This is what it gives you when you visit aliexpress.com. Now you come to this place where we have accounts. Click on register. When you click on register, it gives you a form that you have to fill. Here, you type in your email address, and here you type in your password. You already have, conditions for the password, 6 to 20 characters, contains numbers, letters, or symbols. Click on create account. A mail will be sent to you for you to verify that you are the person that registered. After that, come back to this place, click on sign in. When you click on sign in, you type your email address. I already have an email address with them. Then you type in your password and click on sign in. So it is signing in now. It has taken me to AliExpress. Now what we want to do is to search for a particular product, filter the product very well, and then place order for the product. Now let me search for jewelry. I'm just using this jewelry as an example. You can search for any product of your choice, but let's just use this one as an example. So jewelry, let me click on search. It has brought the different jewelry that you have here. Now what I want us to do is to explore the free shipping option. Now click on free shipping. This means you will not pay for this jewelry when they arrive. Now these are all the jewelry that we have under free shipping. Look at them under free shipping. These are the jewelry we have. Now let me just streamline it as in I don't want a jewelry that is less than 300 naira, and I don't want the one that is more than 1,500 naira. Remember, I'm just using this as example, so you can set your own range. Now click OK. Let's see which of them falls under free shipping. You have them in abundance here. And ship from where? Ship from China. Okay. Now another thing is we want to look at how many stars they have. If a product has 1 star, that means the review is bad. So let's click on products that have 4 stars and above. We have done our okay, let's see, 4 stars and above. We have done our filtering. Look at what we did between 300 naira and 1,500 naira. Then we have chosen free shipping. It's going to be shipped from China, and then we have also chosen products that have good reviews, 1 star and above. So I'm going to pick one product. Let me see which one should I pick. Let me pick this one that is 377 naira. You click on it. Then you get details. Okay. This is the product, fashion charm jewelry ring for men, women, stainless steel, black rings, wedding engagement band quality, met male jewelry. Now let us look at this. There are some things you need to look at. The star is 4.6. This is very good. 4.6 star, very good. And 432 reviews. Another thing you need to check before you buy any product is the review. Let's go and check the review so that we won't waste much time here. Customer reviews, good. All reviews here. Now let's look at the reviews. Excellent presentation, looks very good and arrived very quickly. Received the product on the estimated date. I'm not very happy. So you look at all these reviews. You may not be able to look at all totally, but look at the review. Let's check whether the product is good. The order arrived well. The delivery man was very friendly. I recommend Urban Delivery Company. So you look at all these reviews. If you have bad reviews, just leave the product. Don't buy if you have bad reviews. Now let's look at the details for the product. Details for the product. Now this is this. I want to buy ring size 7. Ring size 7. How many pieces? Now this is a welcome deal. Welcome deal in the sense that if you just join Aliexpress, they are going to welcome you with some cheap products and then free shipping. Especially if you downloaded the application. So I forgot to say that I'm doing this on my laptop. If you want to do it on your phone, go to Google Play Store. If you are using an Android phone, download Aliexpress app. Once you download Aliexpress app, the registration is just like this. Immediately you register and sign on to the app, you see a pop-up telling you to buy 3 products at a very cheap rate and free shipping. So let's continue with this. So you can choose whether gold or silver. You can choose that, and so on and so forth. Let me see whether there are products that I can buy more than one. Let's see. This one, let me check this one. Yeah, it's loading now. Loading. Okay, good. Now look at this product. 925 sterling silver jewelry, women fashion, cute, tiny, blah blah blah. Let's check the reviews. Let's look at the reviews. Okay, maybe we just go down. Let me stop this. Let's go down to check the reviews. Where are the reviews? Is this thing still loading? Yeah. You have 4.6 stars. Now, as in the picture, but there is no stamp of 925 hope, so it will no change color. Very beautiful, very good. I have quickly. I recommend you. Unfortunately, the product is damaged. One earring is not closed. Very unhappy. So look at all this. If you just have one or two or very few dissatisfaction or disagreement, no problem. You may still buy it. Then let's see. This person has sold 3,000 plus, telling you that the product is good. Okay. Having seen the product now, you pick the color that you want from here. After picking the color, let's check the estimated delivery day. The estimated delivery day is November 24. Now today is 24th September. They have written November 24th day, telling you within 2 months you get the product. After all, it's free shipping. 2 months is not too much, but I assure you in most cases it gets to you within 45 days. So here, if you want to buy, let's look at the quantities. You can buy, let's assume I want to buy 10. Okay, for this one, let's see. The free shipping here is limited to one product. So if you want to buy that one product, you just click on buy. This is the product here. Now the next thing you do, if you want to buy another product, you can still go back. You can select another product. If I select this and I click on buy now, let's see whether it adds it to the one I had before. Let's see. It's still loading. Okay, this is direct purchase, and I don't want to place an order now, so let me cancel this. Let me just do add to cart for all of them. Let me cancel this. I don't want to place an order now, so let me just add to cart. It has been added. I come here, I click on this one. I'm just clicking on whatever I see there. Free shipping, add to cart. Now let me view the shopping cart. I already have this product that I have added to cart. So the next thing is I want to place my order. Then you need to click on the products that you want to place order on. I click on this product. Okay. I click on another product. Okay. I want to buy these two products. Now the next thing you do is to click checkout. Then place order. Are these the two products? Okay, here. Place order. Now you are going to add a card here. So you have to click on this. Add a card. Now your information is safe with them. This is where we need to crack another thing. Now Nigeria has banned the use of our Naira debit card for international transaction. So for you to buy on Aliexpress, you need a dollar card. Well, me, I actually got my dollar card from GTB. So what you just need to do is to walk up to the bank straight and tell them you want to open a domiciliary account. After opening the domiciliary account, then you request for a dollar debit card. They will give you the card. I'm still going to make a video on, how to use alternative means. I mean an alternative to the normal dollar card. And the alternative I'm talking about is cheaper cash. You can get virtual dollar card from cheaper cash. But if you have the dollar card for a bank, then you enter the details here and then save and confirm, and then the other things are just self-explanatory. When you save and confirm, once you have money on your dollar card, then the money will be deducted. That's $1.4. Then you place your order. Then the next thing is for you to expect your order to arrive. One good thing about Aliexpress is this: if the order does not arrive, it's just because I have not placed order. If I have placed any order, you can actually open a dispute if your order has not arrived. When you open a dispute, the money, maybe you are expecting the order in 2 weeks, in 2 months, and the order does not arrive. Maybe even if it comes within 2 months and it's not what you expect, you can open a dispute on this platform. Once you open the dispute, they will see to your case, and then the money will not be given to the supplier. So this is how to search and purchase on AliExpress. But let's just do something. We only did free shipping, and then with free shipping you are kind of limited. If you actually want to buy goods, you have to untick this free shipping, and in this case what you do is you look for products that the shipping fee, that they are very cheap. Let me see this. Let me see this. This is only for free shipping. Free shipping is always good for personal items, except if you just buy items around and then, let's see whether there's another item for free shipping that we can do. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, this one is limited. If you are buying 3, you can still get it shipped free to you, and it will get to your place November 30. It will be shipped within 12 working days. So that is how to search and then place order on AliExpress. I believe I have fully explained to you. If you like what I have done on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and then turn on notifications so that you get notified anytime I post another interesting video. My next video is going to be how to shop for products on 1688. 1688 is the largest e-commerce website in the world, and with 1688 you don't even need to have a debit dollar card before you ship. You pay directly in Naira. So I'll be expecting you to watch the video. If you want to know when I'll drop the video, please turn on notifications after subscribing to my channel so that YouTube will let you know that I have dropped another video. Thank you very much. See you at the top.